Hi, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, I'll show you how to not show your likes on Instagram so you can control what others see and reduce pressure on your posts. This works for your own posts and for viewing other people's likes too. Now let's get started. Method 1. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your phone. This is where all your posts and account settings are managed. Step 2. Find and open the post you want to hide. Likes on. This allows you to change the visibility of likes for a specific post. Step 3. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner of the post. This opens additional options related to that post. Step 4. Tap Hide Like Count. This instantly hides the number of likes from everyone viewing the post. Method 2. Step 1. Tap on your profile icon from the bottom right. This takes you to your personal profile page. Step 3. Tap the 3 lines in the top right corner. This opens the main settings menu. Step 4. Scroll down and tap likes and share counts. This section controls how likes appear on posts. Step 5. Turn on hide like and share counts. And now you won't see like counts on posts from other people. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more simple and useful Instagram tutorials.